which inequality is represented by the graph. This is our graph. This part is shaded. So to find which inequality is represented by the given graph, first what we have to check? Our line. This line going down. We are going down, so it means that the coefficient before x must be negative. In the third and fourth statements, we have that coefficient is 2, and before x we don't have any number, it means it's visible 1. So 1 and 2, they are positive. So this is impossible because our line is going down. So third and fourth statement is not solution to our graph. So we have only first and the second. We have negative coefficients. So everything is okay. What else we get? We have that point. This is 0, 1 belongs to our graph, and here is 1/2 and 0, second coordinates, also belongs to this graph. So if you substitute first x by 0, x is first coordinate, y is the second coordinate, and y by 1, left side must be equal to the right side. We have this equation, y is equal negative 2x plus 1. Let's see. For x equals first coordinate 0, what it will be? Y will be, we substitute x by 0, so we have negative 2, we copy, times 0 plus 1, so this is equal 1, y is 1. So this point 0, 1 belongs to our equation, and what will be for x equals 1/2, we will have y is equal negative 2, we copy, x we substitute by 1/2 plus 1, so this is equal negative 2 times 1/2, we will reduce 2 and 2, so will be negative times positive, so will be negative 1 plus 1, this is 0. So y is 0, everything is okay. This is our line. Y is equal negative 2x plus 1. This line belongs to our graph. And now, which part, left or right, is solution? How we do this? We have to choose the point of area which is shaded, and when we substitute x by given value and y by given value, and inequality will be true, it means that this point belongs to solution and everything is okay. So the easiest point to choose from this shaded area is point 0, 0 always. This point 0, 0 belongs to our solution because this point is in area which is shaded. So we can choose point 0, 0. First coordinate is 0, second is 0. And now let's substitute to first inequality. We have y is less than or equal negative 2x plus 1. First I rewrite this inequality, and now I will substitute x by 0 and y by 0. So y is 0 is less than or equal, we have to check, negative 2 times 0, x we substitute also by 0, plus 1. So 0 is less than or equal negative 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 0 is less than 1? Yes, it's true. So this inequality is true for this point. So this point belongs to solution of this inequality. Let's see what will be if we will use the second. This was the first. The second. And I choose the same point because I always have to choose the point which is in the shaded area. And the easiest to substitute x and y coordinates. So we copy second inequality y is greater than or equal negative 2x plus 1. What will be? We have to choose point which is in the shaded area. I can choose again the same point. So what will be? X we will substitute by 0 and y by 0. So it will be 0 is greater than or equals negative 2 times 0 plus 1. 0 is greater than or equals negative 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. The statement is true. 0 is greater than 1 is not true. So it means that point 0, 0 doesn't belong to solution of this inequality. So our graph is represented by first inequality. This is our solution.